I truly love my coffee. Like, coffee brings me so much joy in the morning. And I know it sounds like I'm exaggerating. It sounds like, okay, girl, you're being crazy. Good morning, my lovelies. Welcome to a new day on the vlog. Guys, I don't know, hey, there's just something about spring that is just so refreshing and freeing and relaxing. I don't know, literally, spring is my most favorite season of the year. It always has been, always will be. So yeah, it feels good to be in spring again. But anyways, first of all, I've been drinking chia water in the morning. It's a pity that I've already made it and I've already drank it, but basically how you make it is that you add like a teaspoon of, well, for now I'm doing a teaspoon of chia seeds and into like 250 mils of water, so basically a glass of water. And yeah, I love the way that it makes my body feels. It makes me feel more energized. It's very high in fiber as well, so like it's good for your gut, you know, it gives you more energy. I mean, if you are looking for a superfood to boost you, I think you should try some chia water. It's really great. Anyways, today I actually want to go try out the new Starbucks that they just opened in my area. I say new, but it's probably been here for like a month or two. I just haven't had the opportunity to go there yet. And today I kind of just want to go there and get myself a nice Starbucks drink. So I'm definitely going to be doing that later on. Right now, actually, I want to soak some old coffee jars. Let me show you what I'm talking about. I've got so many of these Jacobs coffee jars. There's so many of them. I think like I've got 5 right now, and this is a bigger one. And the thing is, I have a thing, right, guys, like about throwing glass away. Like it stresses me so much. So like I end up hoarding all these jars, and for what? I don't know, but I feel bad. I just wish we had like a recycle bin here where I stay, but I haven't seen one. So like I don't know where I could go recycle all this glass, you know. So I'm just thinking maybe I can find a way to repurpose it. I don't know. So I want to just soak this in some in some dishwashing liquid, warm water, so that all the branding will come out. Okay, I'm obviously gonna have to get rid of the lids. I don't see anything that I could possibly use these for unless you guys can give me an idea. But yeah, like I want to get off, because like I'm thinking, I don't know, like maybe I could use them to store my makeup brushes. I mean, I already have some of them that I've used for my makeup brushes. I could also use them as like a mini vase for like just a tiny little flower arrangement that I could put in like the bathrooms or something. I don't know, but we'll see. But for now, like I really want to just soak these in warm water so we can try get all this branding off. So yeah, guys, but before I do that, I thought, let's make a cup of coffee first. Guys, is anyone else obsessed with baby's breath? I think that this is such a cute plant. I just love it so much. I think like it's got such a soft feel to it. I don't know, like it's such a soft, delicate little flower, you know? So I've displayed it exclusively on my dining table. But anyways, I just wanted to say that yeah, I've now soaked the coffee jars, and yeah, I'm gonna take off all the branding and then see how I can repurpose them later on. For now, the one thing that I need to do, I need to start my workouts after having my coffee. Just made a beautiful cuppa. Oh my god, guys, like this coffee machine is like, it's a dream. I've had an espresso machine before when I still lived in Joburg. I bought one at my place in Joburg, and I mean, it was a great machine, don't get me wrong, like it was wonderful, but it wasn't this. This is my dream machine right here, okay? I love this. I have this pretty much every morning, even though like I've limited my caffeine intake now to like 1 cup of coffee a day. Like I'm trying to drink less coffee, guys. I do know that I used to drink an unhealthy amount of coffee. What can I say, guys? I'm a coffee lover. I love my coffee. Like, I truly, truly love my coffee. Like, coffee brings me so much joy in the morning. And I know it sounds like I'm exaggerating. It sounds like, okay, girl, you're being crazy. But literally, once I have that cup of coffee in the morning, oh my God, then my day can start. My day can start. My day can be productive. My day can be good. Just like, don't come at me when I haven't had my coffee yet. Know what I mean? Like, let me have my cup of coffee. And I always say to my husband, that's my moment of peace in the morning. Me just sitting down, having an unrushed moment of just enjoying my cup of coffee. Yo, guys, like, coffee is like, it's a whole routine. Coffee people will get me. The coffee lovers, they know. You know, if you know, you know. Like, that is literally my moment of peace in the morning. So this is me having my moment of peace right now. And then I'm gonna start my workout. Once I'm done with my coffee, I'm gonna change and start my workout. But I'm not gonna vlog that. I will probably see you guys again once I head out to Starbucks. I'm excited. I'm probably gonna get a matcha because I've obviously already had my coffee. Excuse me. Yeah, I'll probably have like a lavender matcha frappuccino or something like that. I'm really starting to enjoy matcha as well, especially the matcha from Starbucks. Like, I'm really getting into it. And also, like, the drink itself, it's so pretty. Like, it's green, it looks bougie. I like it. It tastes good. Because also, like, I'm really trying to drink more tea. Now that I don't drink coffee as much as I used to, I've kind of just been having, whenever I feel like a hot beverage. But I mean, that was back in winter though, when it was still much colder. And I feel like, okay, I need like a cup of something. Then I'd have like rooibos tea, or I'd have like chamomile tea. So as a result, I'm actually really starting to enjoy matcha. But anyways, guys, without me blabbing on forever and ever and ever, let me drink my coffee and get my workout done. I'll see you guys later.